Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to cook strip steak. First, ensure your steak is completely dry by patting it with paper towels. This is crucial for a beautiful crust. Next, season generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper on all sides. Let your steak sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes before cooking. This helps it cook more evenly, ensuring a tender and juicy result every time. Now let's get cooking. Heat a heavy-bottomed skillet, ideally cast iron, over medium-high heat until it's smoking hot. Add about 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil. Carefully place your steak in the hot pan and sear for 2 to 3 minutes per side for a perfect medium rare. During the last minute, add 2 tablespoons of butter, a couple of smashed garlic cloves, and a sprig of rosemary or thyme for basting. Achieving the right doneness is key. For a medium rare steak, aim for an internal temperature of 130 degrees Fahrenheit using a meat thermometer. Once cooked, immediately transfer your steak to a cutting board. It's crucial to let it rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes, tented loosely with foil. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. Finally, it's time to enjoy your perfectly cooked strip steak. Always slice the steak against the grain into half-inch thick pieces. This technique shortens the muscle fibers, making each bite more tender and easier to chew. Serve it immediately with your favorite side dishes, perhaps some roasted vegetables or creamy mashed potatoes. A final sprinkle of flaky sea salt can truly elevate the flavor. Enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.